To change the activated carbon filter, first prepare a bin for either disposal or composting. Lift the glass and push the filter down out of the bottom of the glass. This can then be disposed of. Take a new coconut filter, place on a hard surface and push the glass over the top. Place the glass back on top of Briiv and push down until the glass touches the base. Take the new activated carbon. Slowly pour the carbon granules into Briiv. Then spread the carbon out into an even layer. You are then ready to use Briiv. Optionally, you can also combine the carbon with our Yorkshire moss. To do this, take about half of the moss and arrange in the top of Briiv above the carbon. Then you are set and ready to go.